Hey y'all, it is Kara here, and I know it's been a long time since I have had something up on this channel, but now I have new content and I'm ready to get this thing rebooted for y'all. Today's video is going to be taking you guys through my first time making a veggie burrito. So I hope you guys enjoy, and if you like my content or you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you want to see, and yeah, hope to see y'all next time. Take care. Hey guys, so first we're going to start off with our ingredients. First ingredient is burrito, whole wheat tortillas, cheese, black beans, corn, diced tomatoes, garlic, sour cream, coconut oil, and olive oil. Next, we're going to move on to the fresh ingredients that I have chopped up, which is onion, cilantro, red onion, limes, and avocados. Usually I finally chop the cilantro, but didn't have time and I was a little lazy today. Now we're going to move on to the brown rice, which I have cooked in vegetable broth. It's 1 cup of brown rice cooked in 2 cups of vegetable broth. First, we're going to be making the Spanish rice. I've heated a pan with olive oil and I am putting garlic in there. I'm going to go ahead and cook that until it browns. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and add in my yellow onions and go ahead and get those cooking for about 3 to 5 minutes until that cooks up a little bit, until they're translucent, and until the garlic is dark brown. As soon as your mixture is looking like this, we're going to go ahead and toss in that brown rice. Give it a stir and let that sit for about 5 minutes on medium-low heat to get those flavors mixed in together. Once all that's mixed in and it's all settled in, we're going to go ahead and add the seasonings. Add whatever seasonings you like. I use garlic salt, I used a little bit of seasoning salt, pepper, and then here you see I am adding a 1/2 cup of the diced tomatoes. You can add more if you'd like. It was my first time making them and I didn't want to add too much because I did not know how well I'd like them. So once you got everything mixed, you're pretty much done with the Spanish rice. Next up, we are going to heat up the beans. Here I have a can of low sodium black beans. Pour it in a pan, put it on low heat. I'm going to have that cooking or simmering, so to speak, for a little bit. Add whatever seasonings you liked. I added garlic salt, red pepper flakes, and pepper, and I let that simmer, swirl that around, mix it all good and whatnot. Put that lid on and leave it be until you're ready for it. Next up, we're going to go ahead and make this guacamole. Here I have cut up 2 avocados and I'm going to put that in the bowl. I'm adding my non-chopped cilantro to this mix, red onion, and I am going to squeeze half of that lime into the bowl. Next up, you're going to go ahead and season your guacamole accordingly, how you like it. Me, I added garlic salt and pepper. And I believe I added a little bit of red pepper flakes. And I'm going to go ahead and mix that together until it's looking and tasting good. And now we're going to move on to making this corn salsa. I use 1 can of organic sweet corn. Next up, I'm going to go ahead and put a little bit of red onion in the mix. Then we're going to go ahead and add the cilantro. A little bit more cilantro. And now we're going to go ahead and put in the rest of the lime. Season accordingly, how you like it, and we're going to mix it up. Mix it till it's all good. Now it's time for the finale to go ahead and assemble all the ingredients we've made. So I placed the tortilla on a cutting board, and for my base I like to use spinach. Next up, I'm going to be adding the brown Spanish rice mix. Now on to adding the black beans. Now we're going to put some of that corn salsa that we've made. Next up is the guac. I'm not even gonna lie, y'all. At this point, when I was filming this, I was getting nervous because I had never wrapped a burrito before, and I feel like it's a lot of stuff that I put in here. But YOLO, you know? So go ahead and put that cheese on there. Like, I was really getting nervous, y'all, because do you see how stuffed this is? And like, I'm like, oh my goodness, I need to wrap this. But we're gonna get it together. And I went ahead and added a little bit of sour cream. Not the healthiest for you, but hey, meet me halfway, I got you. Now it's on to the moment of truth, going and wrapping this burrito. Have no idea if I did this 100% correct, and I thought all the stuff was gonna fall out of the burrito. But we got it, y'all. Now on to the stove. I go ahead and have my pan on medium-high heat, and I'm going to go ahead and spray that coconut oil in there and place the burrito on there. You're going to heat it up front to back for about maybe 3 to 5 minutes, just until the tortilla browns. And once that's done, this is what you come out with. And I like hot sauce, preferably sriracha, and that's that. So with that being said, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you have not already, please like, comment, subscribe, and let me know what you think. So until next time, take care.